Hi, friends! We're going to talk about ecosystems today. An ecosystem is a community where living and non-living things interact with each other. Animals and plants are living things, and things like soil, the sun, and rain are non-living things. There are many different types of ecosystems on Earth. First, let's take a look at tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are known for lots of rain and warm temperatures. This ecosystem can be a great place for different living things to live. You can find lots of plants and animals in tropical rainforests. With mild weather and plenty of food to eat, animals can grow big. Unfortunately, heavy rainfall makes the soil lose nutrients, making it not as good for plants. Unlike tropical rainforests, temperate forests get less rain, so the soil keeps more nutrients. It's better for plants. Temperate forests go through 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. It's mild most of the seasons, but in winter, it gets really, really cold. Brrr. Look! Do you see the animal inside the cave? Animals hibernate or migrate to other areas during the cold winter. Let's talk about the desert ecosystem now. Deserts can be extremely dry with almost no rain. Since it doesn't rain a lot, animals here have their own ways to adapt to the environment. Cactuses have roots that absorb and store as much water as possible when it rains. They also have very thin and sharp spines, so they don't lose a lot of water. These spines can protect the plant from animals too. Camels also have special adaptations. They can travel through deserts without eating or even drinking because their humps store fat that comes from food.
A thriving forest ecosystem. In a balanced forest, every species has a rule, from the tiniest insect to the tallest tree. They are dependent on each other. The disappearance, but one day, the wolves were gone, hunted, driven away. Imbalance begins. Without wolves, their populations exploded. Their overgrazed, stripping the forest of its undergrowth. Ripple effects. With plants gone, insects vanish, birds had no food, rivers filled with soil, fish disappeared. A silent forest. In just few years, the forest turned a silent, descripted all because one species vanished. And the last, reflection and hope. But nature is resilient. With care, balance can return.
3 types of ecosystems: terrestrial, aquatic, and mixed ecosystems. Terrestrial ecosystems, as their name suggests, are those where the plants and animals that inhabit them live on land. Examples of terrestrial ecosystems are deserts, jungles, forests, tundras, and others. In aquatic ecosystems, all the living beings that inhabit it live in water. Aquatic ecosystems can be saltwater, such as seas and oceans, or they can be freshwater, such as rivers or lakes.